Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BYND. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's movement, more updates need to be done. Once again, first thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning here and just get rid of these lines. They've all served their purpose for now, so I'm just going to get rid of them. And I don't want, from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The one update though that I want to keep up here, and this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, and that states that when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So in the newest areas going into next week, $90.50. In fact, you can see this morning, there was the gap up, and then when the price pulled back, didn't bounce off it exactly to the exact penny, but I think we can all agree, very close. So congratulations. I missed that, but for any of you technical traders that played the back test of the gap close before it rocked back upwards, I'm sure you're going to have yourselves a good weekend. But 90.50, one of the newest areas of support. And then in the very near term, and this is a level that I'd be keeping an eye on for more so the short side of things, for a very short-sided trade though. So I'm not saying that if this $94.25 area fails, that this thing's crashing down to $60. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that there's some room to scalp out a potential short-sided trade, because if that were to fail, then not a guarantee it goes all the way back down there, but let's say if it even went halfway down there, I mean, there's still some wiggle room in here for a potential short-sided trade. So a whole lot of shorts are watching that area right there, wondering if the price does fall through there, will it give enough movement to potentially pull out some profits? And like I said, myself included. And on the flip side of things, from the long side of things, so if I'm looking to go long, then the level that I'm very, very curious about is this area right up here at basically $97.50. And this was a very annoying, a very stubborn level to the bulls. They could never quite push through it. So again, for me, if I'm looking at things from the long side, that is definitely a level that I'd be very curious about going forward. But all in all, the volume is back. Hopefully BYND can keep up. I mean, it's got a great track record of being very volatile and tradable in the past, and this week has been fantastic for it. So hopefully this continues into next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.